everyone, welcome back to the gardening guys. I came down this afternoon, Shane was already down here. We've been busy, very busy. Shane's put a path in, which is interesting. I'm trying making sure my little fob's connected. So let's have a quick look at what he's been doing. So obviously raised bed's been done. There's been some more topsoil on the top of here. You can see my key fob. So that's done. Raised bed with the path. So he's put another path in, joining up to this one, and then this is what we've been doing. So that compost bin there was ready to empty, so we've emptied it. It is gone. Empty. So Shane's going to get that sorted out so we can use that again. So what we did was we dug this out, one spade full deep down into the dirt, dug it down, dumped the soil here. I was sieving through, and then Shane was shifting from that compost bin into here. So it's had a layer of compost from that compost bin into the bottom, and he said he's going to use it for peas or something. So I'm hoping he'll come back up and he'll be able to see. But that's what it looks like. But he did make a bit of a boo-boo, and I'm going to call him out for it because he's not here. So I went to brush this path. Ready for this? He's put stakes, obviously, to hold these planks in. However, he didn't think about the brush. It goes all the way down, and then when it hits here, you can't get past. Nice one. So that's going to have to be fixed because we're going to have fun sweeping the path else. So he's going to have to fix that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So you can see the tripod's there and my bike sat there. And if you want to see, learn how to fit an RFID tag, I'm going to give myself a shout out. Fit an RFID tag to a bike. There's a video on my channel, I'll put a card up here so you know how to do that. We've still got the cage to clear out, and then Shane's on about potentially coming down tomorrow to dig this and this over. I might come down and join him, I'm not sure yet. Before we started digging all of that out, I was here fixing the pond, because we've had a bit of a water shortage with the pond. So I've got it operable again. The pump's been cleaned out, so the little fountain's still going. It looks like it's blocked again. So that's had some water in it. It still needs fully filling up. So hopefully Shane will bring the pump so we can get it properly filled up from the water butt. So we'll see whether he does actually bring the pump tomorrow, so that can be done. I'm not even sure what he's doing. He's probably in here on his phone. Say hello.
Hello.
That was camp as hell. Well done. Well done. So yeah, I was just covering what's been done up at the top.
Yeah.
What are you using that for? The bit that was dug over.
I'm going to be using it for peas next year.
For peas?
Peas.
That was a nice West Midlands accent there.
Yes,
well done. Peas.
Bit of peas.
Bit of peas.
Yeah, I'm going to try and do like a climbing frame for the peas, and try and see if I can use the last bit of my ivory wire, and then nail it to the wood. Have a proper metal frame, and then put the peas in the ground. I normally sow them as a zigzag, and then
peas.
and then just let them attach themselves to the wire, and then obviously when it comes to harvesting, you just pick them off as you go along. So hopefully with the diameters, touch wood, that I've got, I should at least get 2 lines.
Okay.
2 lines of
And
peas.
then yesterday you were down here.
Yes, I was doing
cleaned up in here a little bit.
And I've cleaned up in there as well.
So people might remember from a previous video, What was it? The video where you're talking about the pear trees, wasn't it? Stood at the
no,
back.
it was the
Yes, it was.
peach trees.
Peach trees.
Peach trees.
Pear trees. You remember all the what's it called? Horsetail.
Yes.
At the back of this polytunnel, this one, and it's now been cleared. And Shane's been very nice and left a nice opening so I can show you. Clean. Well, cleanish.
Yeah.
Cleaner. So it's getting there, slowly.
It is slow but surely.
We're done for today, aren't we?
Yes, we're all packing up now, going home.
He's being lazy and going on the bus with his free bus pass. I've got a bike back. So do you want to...
Yeah, so, guys, thank you ever so much. It's been an honour, yet again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
What's the website?
It's TGI...
No.
T-O...
No.
Forgot. Absolute forgot. I always
This
forget
is why he's ginger.
Always forget it. It's the first bit of it that I forget. I just wish now.
If your dad watches,
yeah, he's gonna. Yeah.
make a comment. I know you're going to, because he did yesterday. So TGG
official.co.uk. There, I'm gonna write that down.
I'm gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna get a tattoo.
just make his forehead a walking billboard. So what's the website, Shane?
It's tggofficial.co.uk.
There you go.
There you go.
And there is partners on there.
There
there's some changes on there as well. Even you haven't seen them yet.
Oh, I'm going to have a look at that later.
So that's if he doesn't.
So yeah, thanks ever so much. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you got any comments, don't forget to link them down below. And I will see you again, hopefully weather permitted, with some more crackers down on the allotment tomorrow. See you later.
Call me a